Welcome to FreeCAD new session. In this session we will model this control block in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already modeled it, so I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So let's start. So I will close this file and I will create a new file and I will create a new body. And now first we will make this profile like this, and then we will extrude it to the length of 227, and then we will adapt the rest of the features. So now I will on my origin plane and I will create my base profile on XZ plane. So I will switch to the orthographic, then isometric, and I select this XZ plane and I create sketch. Now I will go to my tree view and I will off my origin plane, and I will keep my this center at the origin, or I can keep this edge on this axis. So we have both the options. So we have the flat face here at the bottom, so instead of this origin I will keep that flat face here because there is a material removal here. So let's start. So I will select the polyline and I will draw a line, and then I will draw this line, and it should be straight, and then here would be the 3-point arc. So I will create a 3-point arc. Okay, and now we will move to the combo view and we will see the conflict in constraint. So I will delete it, and now I will give the dimension. So here it is 10 mm from the origin, so I will give it 10 mm. So here it's my unit is in an inch, so I will switch to the mm, and I will say okay. Now I will give it a 10 mm, and it is a 13, so I will give it 13. And now we will give the angle which is a 30 degree. So I will select this line and click on the angle. So this is a 30, so here it would be 150, and now we will see the outer one, means this arc. So outer one diameter is a R82, which we can see here. So I will select this and I will give radius 82, and I will make it tangent, and now we will draw a line, and on the bottom side I will also draw the line, and this bore is diameter 88.9. So I will draw the circle and I will give it a diameter 88.9, and then I will select this diameter and this point and give the constraint, and we will find the center from the edge. So it is 82, which we can see here. So I will give it dimension 82, and I will merge this center. And now I will make it construction, and now I will make these 2 points vertical. Okay, and here I will add the tangent. So I will delete this line because it is not required, and I will give this and this vertical constraint, and I will join the line. Now I will give it a vertical constraint as it is a construction, so I will remove its construction and I will trim it. Now I will go with the trim and I will trim it. Now I will move my dimension for better visibility to check my profile. So here is a 10, 13, this 30-degree angle, and this outer dia, or we can say R82, the radius, outer radius, and this inner diameter is 88.9. so here is our sketch is constrained. Now we will come out of the sketch and we will make a extrude at a 227. So here I will reverse the direction and I will give 227. So here is our base profile. Okay, now inside we will add the material, or we can do one thing, that inner dia is 57.15, so we will give the inner one 57.15, so that we will remove the material. Okay, so we will use the minimum one, and now we will make this boss. So I will select this face and I will say sketch, and I will project my outer edge, and I will create a 3-point arc, and I will select this one and my arc, and I will say equal, and we can say that here is angle 38. So and overall it is a 82. So I will create a line, and I will make this line and I will join it with these two lines. I will add parallel, and this one will be the perpendicular. Okay, and now I will give the dimensions, which is 82. Line, and I will make it construction. I will draw the angle. Actually, if we see here, this 38° passing through the center here. Okay, so it would be symmetric to this. So for this we will draw a line at a 38°. So I will select the line and I will make it construction, and I will give my angle 38. Okay, so now this would be symmetric and this would be perpendicular as well. So here is a conflict because we have already defined the perpendicularity with this. So now I will use symmetricity and I will select this point and this point, and this one. I think construction will not take, so I will delete this dimension. So I will select this line and I will give it 82, and from this point to this point let's select this point and line 41. So that is how it would be. And now from center to edge is 51, so I will select this point and this line and I will give it 51. So this is how this profile would be. So I move the dimension outside for better visibility, and I will extrude it up to the distance 33. So I will close it and I will say extrude. I will give 33. Okay, so now I will refine it. So I will select this pocket, property view, refine through, so it will be merged. Now I will go to the isometric, and now we will create this bore dia 88.9. so I will create a sketch and I will project my inner one, select circle and give it diameter 88.9, and I will close it, and this cut is a 78, so I will give it 78. Okay, and now we will make this slot cut here. So I will select this one and I will say sketch, and I will switch to the isometric, and I will project my outer edge and I will select rectangle. I will delete this line and I will draw the 3-point arc, and I will say tangent, tangent, and I will find the center, which is 114. So I will select these 2 points and give my dimension 114. Sorry, it is not this dimension. This is 114, and position of this slot is 26 from the edge. So I will select this point and this point and give 26, and diameter is 22. So I will select this and I will give diameter 22. Now I will move my dimension outside. Okay, now I will give the cut depth 13, so I will go with the cut and give 13, and I will say okay. Now we will make this rectangular cut at the top. So for this we require the datum plane. I will on my origin plane, I will select my XY plane and click on the datum plane, and here the outermost radius is R82, so I will give my dimension 82 here and make it negative, so flip the direction. Okay, so 82 plus 82, because radius is 82, so we want diameter, so 82 plus 82, so we have the datum plane. And now we will create the sketch on it, so I will select my datum plane and say sketch, and I will go to my tree view and of my origin plane. So in this case I will switch to the isometric and create a rectangle, and I off my datum plane, and now I will project my edge. So I will project this edge and I will select this point and this line and constrain it, and this is the 19 mm which we can see here, so I will give it a 19. Position is 38 from the edge, so I will select this point and this point, and I will give 38, and this is the 33, and now I will make the cut. So I will come out of the sketch and I will go with the cut, and I will give the dimension, rough dimension, or I will select up to face. Let's see. Okay, so that is working fine, so I will say okay. So we have modeled all the features of our isometric drawing, and now we will go to our body and give the material. So material here I will give the chrome. So this is how we have successfully converted our 3D drawing into the 3D model using the FreeCAD part design workbench. So this is all about how to model control block in FreeCAD, and I will provide this source file and a 2D drawing in the video descriptions, so any beginner user can practice with the help of a drawing, and in the case of any doubt the user can refer my 3D model. So this is all about these sessions. I hope you have liked these sessions, and if you like my method of teaching, then please like, subscribe and share my video. You can also support me on ko-fi.com. its link is given in a video descriptions. Thank you for watching.